Right, hello again. April the 1st. So it's all about choices today. So I am going to go ahead and do my Ipsy choices for my extra box, which is the second tier box. So the Ipsy extra box is the one with 5 full-size items, and the total value of the box is £34, $34, which works out to, I can't remember, I think it was about £26, £27 for that. So let's go ahead and do that. With the Ipsy Extra, Ipsy pick out 2 items for us, supposedly based on our beauty profile, but it's not really. And then we get to pick 3 items. So the 2 items they've picked for me, it looks like we've got something from Lovecraft and Beauty, and it's another eyeliner. But the eyeliner looks like it could be a blue colour, so that should be interesting. And then we've got from Tarte Maracuja Juicy Lip something another vinyl. The colour looks interesting, but that's all good because I do like the Maracuja Juicy products. I think this one is actually quite shiny, so I'm looking forward to receiving that. All right, let's go ahead and do my choices. So my first choice, we've got from First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. Oh, I've seen this. This is their new body cream, isn't it? Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I'm pretty certain this is the body cream. The award-winning cream helps deliver fast relief for dry, distressed skin with rich moisture. Yeah, I'm pretty certain it's a body cream. How much is in it? Because that will tell me 6 ounces. That's about 200 mils. Yeah, I think I'm going to be picking that. Let me see what the other choices are. Because I've heard that this is a really rich moisturising cream. So I'm all about that. Uh-oh. I've just seen choice 2, which is the Benefit Cosmetics Bad Gal Mascara. Oh, wait a minute. No, it's not the normal Bad Gal mascara. This is the Bounce, and I don't think this Bounce one was very good. I think I tried a sample, a miniature of that, and I didn't like it, which is probably the first mascara from Benefit I have not enjoyed. So, yeah, I don't like that mascara, so I won't be getting that. Then we've got a body mist. I won't want that. And then we've got from Live Beauty Sunset Blush Palette. That looks like it's the deepest skinned one. Okay, I've decided. My first choice is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It's a body cream. More than happy with that. Second choice is we've got from Gizu, and this is the honey infused lip oil in glazed plum. So I think with this brand, they're all about the bees, aren't they? I think they've got I don't know, beehive. I don't know what you call a collection of beehives, but they do their own sort of farming of bees. Then next product is Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydra Glass Prep Serum Gel. I'm assuming that's skincare. Then we've got from Earth Harbour Horizon Ceramide Recovery Serum. God, there's a lot of serums. Then we've got from Wonder Beauty In the Clouds eyeshadow palette. Oh, bloody hell. I don't like any of these products. Let me have a look at the Dr. Brandt skincare thing. Let's see what that's all about. Bloody hell, look at the value. $116. Good grief. What is it? Ultralight gel to serum formula can be used pre-moisturizer to moisturize, hydration and glow, featuring glycerin and multi-molecular hyaluronic acid. Blah, 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 blah. It's just skincare, but flipping heck, $116. Telling you, they really go nuts with some of these prices, don't they? They really do. And then we've got the Jizu product. Let's have a quick look at that again. $28. You know what? I might just get the lip oil. Look at the price difference: $28 to $116. And the Live Blush Palette. I don't need a blush palette, guys. And the colours aren't doing it for me either. Oh, flip. What do I get? I'm going to go for the money product. So I'm going to be getting the Dr. Brandt Skincare. Let's go with the money. And the third product we have got from Pink Lips Cosmetics Makeup Brush Set. I have had brushes from this brand before. I didn't think they were that good, actually. I didn't really like them. I like the tapered tapered shape one. You can use that for powder, and the other one looks like you can use it for foundation. But I found them, I think, a little bit too soft and floppy. So I wasn't that impressed with the pink lips brushes. What's next? We've got from Beauty Vault Lip Liner Trio. But I'm looking at those colours. None of those colours look like they're deep enough for me. Nope, none of those colours look deep enough for me. So that's a no. What's next? Then we've got from By the Beach Melon Days SPF 30 Face and Body Cream. So it's all about the body creams, isn't it? And then we've got a nice serum. Oh, flip, these are all rubbish. Oh, gosh. Right, what am I going to pick? Right, so in the first category, we're going for the First Aid Beauty. Second category, we're going to go for the Dr. Brandt. Choose. Why is it not clicking? It's not doing it. And then click. And then third category, don't want any of these to be honest. I am going to go for face and body cream. Let's look at this face and body cream. I'll help it to tighten and tone your skin. And how much do you get in it? Doesn't say the quantity, does it? I don't want it. I don't want it. I'm going to get the brushes. Why is it doing this to me? I'm choosing the brushes. Okay, confirm your choices. There we go. Confirm. Right, so that's my first extra box. Let's go to my next one. Right, so this is my second account. Oh, right, my second account, I've got the Beauty Boost. And the Beauty Boost is a Tatcha, the Dewy Milk Moisturiser. Ooh, and then I've got the same two products. So I've got another one of the Tarte Juicy Lip Vinyl thing. And we've got the Love and Craft eyeliner. But yeah, the Tatcha. So that's my Beauty Boost. So I'm happy about that. Right, so in this selection, do I get the body cream again? I don't know. Right, I'm going to think about that. In the second collection, I am not going to get the eyeshadow palette because Wonder Beauty always has really pale and pasty colours. So I'm going to get the... Well, let's have a quick look before I judge completely. It's just that in the past, when I've had Wonder Beauty eyeshadow palettes, the shades are always just so pale. Yeah, and this is not changing my mind at all. I'd like to think the colours look better in real life. Shall I risk it? I'm going to risk it. I'm going to risk it. I am going to get the eyeshadow palette for the second category. And the third category, oh, bloody hell, what am I going to get for the third category? There was just nothing in this category I liked at all. I'm going to get the lip liner trio and then I'll put them in a giveaway. How does that sound? How does that sound? Yeah, I'm going to get that and put it in a giveaway. Right. So, lip liner. Then I'm going to do another body cream because it's nice. And I am going to do the lip oil or the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to do the eyeshadow palette for that one. And I'll put that in the giveaway if it's really horrible. Or do I want to do the lip oil? I just know that I'll probably get more use out of the lip oil. I'm going to do the lip oil. Because I know I'm going to use the lip oil. Right, okay, there we go. So that's my choices. There we go. Confirm. Ta-da! That's it. that's all my choices for today, I think. That's it. Yeah. All right, guys, thanks very much. I think the most exciting thing I've seen from Ipsy is the beauty boost, which is the Tatcha, which I'm really pleased about because the last couple of beauty boosts haven't been that great. So, yeah, pleased about that one. So that's good. All right, guys, take care. Thanks very much for watching. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. All right, take care, guys. Bye.